In this video, we will be discussing the GugoIs Folding Electric Bike for adults, a high-performance e-bike designed for both commuting and adventurous off-road rides. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric bicycle in the description below for the best price. This bike packs a punch with its peak 1500W dual motor system, capable of reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising across flat terrain, the high torque and powerful dual motors deliver smooth and reliable performance. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its long-range 48V23, a removable battery. Fully charging in about 5 to 7 hours, it allows riders to travel between 40 to 60 miles depending on riding mode, terrain, and load. This makes it an excellent choice for longer trips or daily commutes without worrying about frequent charging. The battery is UL 2849 certified, giving extra assurance of safety and reliability. The GugoIs bike is also equipped with 26-inch fat tires that provide superior traction across different surfaces, from gravel and mud to snow and sand. Coupled with dual front suspension and mid-mounted shock absorbers, this bike minimizes road impact and offers a comfortable ride even on rough terrains. Braking is handled by dual hydraulic disc brakes and the EABS system, ensuring precise stopping power in all weather conditions. Another great feature is its foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to store. Whether you want to take it on public transport, store it in your garage, or tuck it in your SUV trunk, the quick fold frame adds unmatched convenience. The rear cargo rack is a thoughtful addition for carrying gear or even a safety seat. Riders also benefit from the intelligent LCD display, which provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and mileage. A bright 1000 LM headlight, brake light, and turn signals enhance safety during nighttime rides. With a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, this bike is suitable for a wide range of adult riders. Assembly is straightforward, with 85% pre-assembled right out of the box, and the package includes a charger, horn, toolkit, and rear rack. GugoIs provides a 1-year warranty along with lifetime technical support, so help is always available. Overall, the GugoIs Folding Electric Bike is a versatile, high-powered, and reliable option for anyone looking to enjoy the freedom of electric biking without compromise.